Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. This is the chart, Bitcoin chart I made on the 23rd August. It's a monthly chart, right? And you can see here my Elliott wave count. Wave one, wave two is exactly around 78%, and then it bounced. And then the target for wave three is usually 161, and then you can see that 161 or 178, almost, it's like a zone, right? Just like 61% and 78% is zone for retracement. And then there's a zone for extension, which is 127 and 161 in between that. And the zone for expansion is between 161 to 178. So it is a perfect touch of 178, and then it was dropping. So I said we're going to be coming down for wave four around maybe into this area. Let's say 84, 82, 38%. Usually it is 38% of wave three. So let's take a look at that. If a monthly chart is this, so it started to come down slowly and then it retracing. A smaller time frame, a wave count, I'll show you in a minute. But see this, if you pull the fib from the bottom to top, 38% for wave four is coming into this area. So just remember that's like 82, 83, right? That's where it's supposed to be coming down. In three waves, probably this one is a zigzag, A, B, C. So we might have a flat, a regular flat or some kind of flat in three waves, right? A, B, and C, side wave, right? So the first wave, A, will be starting or already started. And then now the weekly chart at the same time I made was looking like this. So this is the breakdown of wave three, which and wave black count, right? So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So obviously then we're supposed to come in down for wave four as like A, B, C kind of thing, right? So we kind of started here to drop. And then even a smaller time frame was this daily chart. And then I said this thing already broke below the trend line and went back up, tested the backside of it, and it's supposed to be dropping. And then I made the 40-minute chart saying that, okay, this is how it is dropping. So this could be wave one, and we might go up for wave two, followed by wave three, four, five to the downside. That would be wave A, right? Wave A of wave four. And wave A and sometimes wave C, they can be impulse, consist of five subwaves. So this was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was the idea. So now this wave four, this wave one got a little bit extended. It went up, it went down a little bit more. Now let's take a look at the live chart. And you can see that this is what happened to wave one. When I said that it is probably wave one here, and then we're going to go up 61% of this for wave two. What happened is that it came down all the way here, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. This is wave one. Now we are going up for wave two, right? So the wave two usually goes back into the retracement zone, which is 61 to 78%, right? So this is what I'm expecting, that this might go into this area before coming down for wave three, right? And it will be looking like wave three, it's gonna be like wave one, two, and then wave three again, 1.618 area or something like that. So the bottom line is that right now daily chart look like this. So this is a drop and it's going up maybe here, 23% line, which is going to be around 61% of this drop. If you take a look, usually 23% line is very close to 61. So you see the 61% and 23%, this is the zone, right? So it may go there and then start to drop. Right there is also the congested area here. You can see this area here, right? So this is exactly coming there between 23% and 61%. This is the area. So yeah, it looks good going into that area and then dropping. Right. So this is exactly what's happening. This is a daily current chart. This is a 40-minute chart. Again, I showed you that this is what I made, and I posted on my Telegram, and for my paid subscriber up to date, keep them updated, and then I'll be following this one. If we get into this area, then I'll be shorting the damn thing like I did before. Right. So this is it for now for about Bitcoin, and I'm not gonna add anything else into this video. So this is it for now for Bitcoin, and then maybe next video I'll make about the Nasdaq and S&P 500 separate. All right. I want to keep these things separate, Bitcoin and then, indices and gold, and Forex pairs. All right. So this is it for now, and continue trading into this week. So far, yesterday I had nice drop in Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. They both, I was expecting long, but then my ear took the short side. They were dropping, continue dropping, right? So today, actually, you see this? This was a nice downside movement, and this is pound Aussie going down here. Right now, they are ready to go up. Now they are ready to go up. Right. So I already made the chart and post on the Telegram. Here I have it posted here. All right. So and this is a Bitcoin chart also posted here. So yeah, we take it from there. All right. So talk to you guys later, and have a great rest of the trading week. Where my line go? Oh, yeah. Stop.